met you, you annoyed me.
Grabe ka talaga, Drake. Ang sama mo pa rin sa akin. Kala ko pa naman magiging mabait ka na sa akin dahil nag-I love you ka na. Pero ang mini mo pa rin.
Dude, I can see your premature boobs from here.
Ew! Ang pervy mo na, Drake! Bastos nito.
What could I do? You tempt me so much.
Grabe ka, ha?
So, how are you coping up?
Ayoko dito. Daming blonde. Tapos ang tatangkad pa nila. Higit sa lahat sila dito English speaking, as in spoken in dollars. Sige, tawa pa. Alam mo, ang sama mo na sa akin. Ever since umalis ako dyan, parang tuwang-tuwa ka na sa akin. Hindi mo na ako mahal, no?
Stupid. Of course I love you. I always wear this even if it looks weird.
Hindi kaya, ang cute nga eh.
Whatever. Anyway, did you already meet your roommate?
Hindi pa nga eh. Pero Kay daw yung pangalan. OMG talaga kung sino mang Kay na to. Sana hindi bitchy katulad ni Kay Chu.
Be nice. You'll be with her for quite some time. Even if you're stupid in English, tayo talk anyway. They won't notice your grammar because they're using wrong grammar as well.
Talaga?
I'll go now. I need to help my dad tomorrow.
Matutulog ka pa? Di ba umaga na? Huwag na matulog, mag-usap na lang tayo.
Miss me that much, dude. Good night. I love you.
Kinikilig pa din ako pag nag-I love you si Drake sa akin. Dati kasi puro lang lumalabas sa bibig niya. At least ngayon may variety na. May I love you at I miss you na. O diba? Improving na si boyfriend.
Hey. I said I love you. Where's my reply?
Fine. I love you too.